Hello everyone. My name is Toru Takatsu, and I am CEO of CalTA Incorporated. CalTA is a Japanese startup company established in 2021. We refer to our company as CalTA, pronounced CalTA, not CalTA, because we Japanese call CA as Ka, not Kya. Thank you for keeping that in mind. And CalTA Incorporated offers a wide range of services primarily for infrastructure operators, including the provision of digital twin platforms, digital development services, and on-site imaging services using drones and robots. So now, let me explain our product TRANCITY, a digital twin platform. CalTA Incorporated has developed TRANCITY, a platform for managing large-scale infrastructure such as railways, roads, rivers, ports, and power plants in a three-dimensional space, with Cesium's platform playing a crucial role in its operation. TRANCITY swiftly and automatically generates 3D models that accurately reflect real-world conditions in a 3D geographic space from various types of video footage. This includes videos captured by drones or robots, as well as those taken with smartphones or tablets. Additionally, users can upload beam data, and point cloud data, which can be overlaid on the 3D models. As a browser-based solution, CesiumJS powered TRANCITY is accessible from any device, including PCs, tablets, and smartphones. The 3D models are managed chronologically with time series and linked with location data, so allowing precise tracking of what happened, where, and when. By using TRANCITY, detailed information sharing between remote offices and field location is facilitated, thereby supporting productivity and sustainable infrastructure management in the railroad industry and beyond, including companies such as East Japan Railway Company, JR East, and Central Japan Railway Company, JR Central. They are two major Japanese railway companies. And I will explain why TRANCITY is initially being applied to the railway industry in Japan. This has to do with Japanese history. After the end of samurai era in the Edo period, this is Edo period, the Meiji government established in 1868 began to build a new nation. In 1872, it's the 5th year of Meiji, the government opened Japan's first railway line between Shimbashi and Yokohama. It's near Tokyo, about 18 miles. And this event marked the start of Japan's prioritization of railways over roads. And perhaps you know, the anime titled Demon Slayer, they use trains, not cars. As a result, Japan historically developed its railway infrastructure before its road infrastructure, with road development accelerating only after World War II. Consequently, Japanese cities were built around railways, and Tokyo in particular is often described as a world city built by its rail system. This is Tokyo, and this is Tokyo Station. And all these lines represent railways. Since Japan has long had a significant amount of railway infrastructure, railways have always been important. The country has grown by applying railway infrastructure management techniques to other sectors. Therefore, improving management practices in railway infrastructure allows for the development of similar management approaches for long roads, such as in factories or large-scale sites like industrial areas. This is why TRANCITY's application started with the railway sector and is now expanding to other infrastructure industries like roads. So now, let's return to the main topic. Because TRANCITY is built on CesiumJS and Cesium Ion, it can efficiently handle and stream large volumes of diverse 3D data from construction sites and planned facility construction areas by converting them into optimized 3D tiles for smooth visualization across all devices. 3D tiles is the open standard for massive, various 3D geospatial datasets such as point clouds and photogrammetry. TRANCITY improves the management of large-scale infrastructure by linking 3D data with location information, and Cesium Ion optimizes this data into 3D tiles that are streamed rapidly to CesiumJS on any device. TRANCITY generates 3D data from video footage using their SFM technology at first, then transforms the data into 3D tiles format for display in a viewer. This entire process enables data visualization in under 1 hour. The high quality processing capabilities of the Cesium Ion engine play a crucial role in this workflow. The streamed data is accurately represented in 3D geographic space based on the WGS84 coordinate system and visualized on the web using CesiumJS. CesiumJS is utilized as a library to enable a variety of user experiences. Cesium has extensive usage worldwide, having demonstrated its capabilities in numerous cities. It converts various 3D data formats, such as CityGML and RAS, into 3D tiles optimized for streaming. The elements like the platform's open development environment, extensive development case studies, and capability for web-based visualization accessible to anyone were highly regarded and led customers to select Cesium. Here are the actual cases of how East Japan Railway Company and Central Japan Railway Company, this is JR East and this is JR Central, have utilized TRANCITY and Cesium. East Japan Railway Company face the following challenges during the upgrade of a railway-owned power plant. First, managing infrastructure work across a vast site with a small team. And second, checking measurements for consistency with design models required staff to travel to the site from the office. There's a lot of mountains. Taking 4 hours for a round trip. And the Central Japan Railway Company encountered the following difficulties with bridge inspection over railway tracks. There's railway tracks. And first, installing scaffoldings, inspection the bridge, and removing scaffoldings within the limited time between the last and first trains, which constrained inspection time. And second, the work involved significant risks, including potential falls. To address these issues, East Japan Railway Company uploaded videos from drones on site of the power plant construction to TRANCITY. This allowed the site to be streamed as accurate, efficient 3D tiles, providing detailed situational awareness in a 3D geographic space via a web browser and enabled efficient management by a small team. It also eliminated the need for frequent site visits, reducing travel time. And the Central Japan Railway Company used TRANCITY to model the bridge inspection site and streamed it as 3D tiles to the web, enhancing productivity and safety by conducting inspections within a 3D geographic space instead of short nighttime visits. East Japan Railway Company and Central Japan Railway Company are leveraging Cesium-powered TRANCITY to significantly enhance efficiency in addressing Japan's widespread labor shortage, a challenge that spans across various sectors of society. These efforts encompass surveying, and designing, and construction, and maintenance, inspection management of facilities and infrastructure to fostering consensus among stakeholders through clear and comprehensive explanations aimed at improving stakeholder satisfaction. Beyond these improvements, CalTa's Incorporated is also pioneering a transformative approach to sustainable work practices enabled by digital twin technology. This new method eliminates the need for high-performance devices traditionally required to handle 3D data, allowing for swift inspections, measurements, and simulation presentations on digital twins using smartphones, tablets, and other portable tools. TRANCITY meets the stringent quality standards demanded by manufacturing by utilizing Cesium's precise geospatial capabilities to create a high-quality digital twin environment. For instance, TRANCITY allows access to detailed views of river assembly configurations within a site from an aerial perspective. This capability facilitates efficient and rapid management of both linear sites, such as railways, extensive areas like factories, by seamlessly integrating detailed micro-level changes with a micro-level site condition on a global scale. This represents an unprecedented system, unprecedented system that delivers a more accessible digital twin experience for users. And in October 2024, TRANCITY received Japan Digital Ministers Award in CTEC Award. CTEC is the Japanese equivalent of CES in America. Finally, as the CEO of the startup company CalTa's, which presented here from Japan, I would like to emphasize that this is a product that represents Japan. Have you ever heard of the word omotenashi? Omotenashi. It refers to Japanese hospitality. It's about providing thoughtful, safe, and reliable service with a smile at an affordable price anywhere and anytime. TRANCITY is the essence of omotenashi in Japan. The Japanese character that supports this is perfectionism with a focus on even the smallest details. Japanese people love to refine their current management practices and enhance their expertise in what is right in front of them. Even when managing infrastructure, they enjoy focusing on every detail, whether it's identifying the condition and location on a map or managing time. As you know, Japanese trains run on time and go to specific places precisely. Thanks to this Japanese character, TRANCITY, which enables infrastructure management in 3D on Cesium's map platform, is well appreciated. When managing infrastructure, we Japanese also value efficiency, always considering how much we can reduce costs or save time compared to the current situation. This is what TRANCITY, powered by Cesium, represents a product that embodies Japanese traits. We are proud of it and look forward to your continued support of CalTa's and TRANCITY. Although today was just a presentation, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. I'm sorry, but I have to return to Japan tomorrow. However, my colleague, this is my colleague, Mr. Takamizawa, Mr. Takamizawa, there's Mr. Takamizawa, okay? Okay. Our CTO and the lead developer of TRANCITY will be attending the closing party. I hope you will take the opportunity to ask him any questions, perhaps with a glass of wine. Thank you for listening.